Thank you for visiting MDinteractive. In today's video, we're going to review how simple it is to attest for your improvement activities right inside your MDinteractive account. Before we get started, let's do a few overviews of the 2018 Improvement Activities category. This category is 15% of your final MIP score, or a maximum of 15 out of 100 points. There is a 90-day minimum reporting period required. It's a very simple attestation process to complete. There are 112 improvement activities to choose from. These activities are designated as either medium or high-weighted activities. For smaller providers, defined as solo practitioners or groups with fewer 15 providers, as well as for non-patient facing providers or those in rural areas, the requirement is to complete or attest one high-weighted or two medium-weighted activities. For groups with over 15 providers, they will need to attest to at least two high-weighted activities, or one high-weighted and two medium-weighted activities, or four medium-weighted activities. Now let's take a look at how easy it is to do this with your MDinteractive account. The first thing you'll want to do is enter in your username and password and log into your account. Once inside your account, you will see your provider or group of providers listed. If you have not yet entered your providers or group, simply come down and select either individual or group and enter the appropriate information and add the provider to your account. Now you're ready to begin reporting improvement activities. By clicking on Add Edit next to IA, you can enter into the Improvement Activities tool. Now that you're in the Improvement Activities module, the first step will be to enter in your reporting period. For the purposes of this example, we're going to do January of 2018 until April 1st of 2018 and click Apply. Now you can begin adding the correct improvement activities that you have completed. There's a variety of ways to search through these 112 activities. You can either search by keywords, you can look up different categories, the activity weighting, whether they be high or medium, or whether they're certified electronic health record technology eligible. For the purposes of this example, we are going to demonstrate our solo practitioner completing two medium-weighted activities. First, you can select to sort by just the medium-weighted activities so that those are listed there for you. To see any additional detail about your measure, simply click on the black arrow. In this case, the annual registration of the prescription drug monitoring program. You'll see a description and a little bit of information about the weighting and the measure ID number. If this is the category that you participated in, you simply click on Add. You'll notice as you begin to attest for improvement activities that your score is shown below. Continue adding in the necessary activities. Once you have selected all of your improvement activities, simply click on Done. The system will show you that your selections have been saved. Once you return to your home page, you'll see that your improvement activity score, as noted by the CMS API, is listed here. Now you can continue entering in your other categories. Thank you.